Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you download Facebook videos into your gallery. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Facebook, and right now you see I'm on the watch tab of my Facebook, and these are all videos that I think that could possibly be good for me because I'm in the for you section. So for example, now this video, let's suppose I was supposed to share this to another platform, but I wanted to do an upload from my gallery. So like if I want to share to another platform, I can just hit share, and there are these apps on the bottom. I can press on that and it will share to another app. But for example, let's suppose I wanted to add this to a story like my WhatsApp story, and I wanted it not to be a link. Like for example, if I'm sharing this from the share button, it will be just a link to the original video and not the video itself. So how do I download it to my gallery? So if you press on the top on the three dots, you see this save to watch later button, but this is also for saving it onto your Facebook account. It's not actually going to save it to your gallery. So how do you download it actually? So you hit share and you come down, and then you're going to swipe to the right side, and you see this copy link button, and now the link has been copied. I'm going to open my Safari browser, and I am going to be looking for a Facebook video downloader real quick. And now we have this one site here, and I'm gonna enter my link here, and I'm gonna hit download. Now this is fdown.net, so I guess it's loading. Yep, it's loading definitely. And now you see this is the video that we were looking at before, and it is 6 minutes and 38 seconds. I can download it in normal quality or SD quality. There's some more options, but essentially that is how you download videos into your gallery from Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.